Hey guys, so it's been a while since I made any Touge related content, and today I'll be having an Iftar session with a couple of friends, and right after that we'll be going for a Touge run at Genting Highland. I figured it might be interesting to, record our adventures today. So this vlog might be bilingual, meaning we'll be speaking in English dan juga bahasa Melayu, and I'll be sure to add subtitles when we speak in Malay so that korang boleh faham apa yang kita orang cakap kan. In case you guys couldn't tell, it's raining fairly heavily for quite a while now, and hopefully it dries up before our run tonight. While I'm warming up the car, there will be a couple of cars that will be joining us tonight. I know my friends from Nozomu are going to be there, and then my brother might also be there. So I'm not sure how many cars in total will be joining our Touge run tonight, but it should be interesting. So quick update on the car, I've adjusted the suspension recently. Basically I stiffened the damper by a couple of clicks. I have not driven far, but I did drive it around the neighborhood, and it was very stiff, too stiff to my liking even. I think it's more suitable for a track setup maybe, but either way I'm sticking with it for a while. I'm just gonna test and see how it is, and then I'll try to fine tune it even more, and maybe hopefully I'll find something that's comfortable, handles well on the Touge, and then I can fine tune it even more for a future track setup. Alright, so I've just arrived at Taipan USJ. Took me quite a while because traffic was pretty bad today, because it is a Friday and it is raining, and it is during the rush hour. I have arrived around the same time as Irfan did, and I've just parked, and he also said that he found a parking nearby. So we're gonna head there to the restaurant. Hello, I'm making a vlog.
Hello vlog.
You guys know Irfan, he's here. Yay, everybody's here. Forgot to vlog, but Wazir is here. Where are we?
We are at Bamboo Hill,
What are we doing here?
waiting for Ashwin, Aidin, Aziz.
Yeah, and Bukhari. So Wazir, what have you done to your car recently?
Recently, nothing. The most recent thing that I've done is just send it for a car wash. Tu pun sebab I tak larat cuci sendiri masa bulan puasa. I always thought of washing it closer towards Iftar time, but I never got around to doing that. So dah lama sedih tengok kereta kotor lah. Hantar je lah cuci.
But it's been raining every day since.
Yeah, but it was cleaner than before I washed it. So.
Exactly. Cleaner than before. That's the key word. Hari ni abang bawa kereta apa? Bawa kereta apa?
Polo.
Polo? Yeah. Bu bawa kereta apa bu?
Biasa lah.
Biasa tu. Kereta banyak sangat.
Kereta tu buat lawa.
We're currently at Shell. It's a bit after 11 and we're trying to wait until traffic is clear out.
That's a big sponsor here.
We have TikTok, we have Facebook.
Louis pun he comes here. Privilege being a staff of UTPS.
Boleh? Diorang boleh tunggu kita? So we just drove through Jalan Gombak Lama because Harak Highway had a lot of traffic. And now we've made it to the other side of Genting Touge. We're gonna make our way back to Genting Highland. Everyone's just chilling, having fun. So that was our first time driving through.
Jalan Gombak Lama. I can say being the one in front was very scary.
Yeah, I was just following him, so it was fine.
Really?
Yeah, I tengok asalkan ada wazir belakang tak pelai tekan je.
Yeah.
It's a fun road, but then the condition is terrible.
No, surprisingly, it was the fact that there are a ton of cyclists and also runners
Yeah.
in the pitch black night.
And there was this one guy yang lari sorang-sorang.
Seorang without torchlight. I saw that as well.
Tu ada seorang kan.
Dia ada yang headlamp.
Yang lain
dia
tu
tu.
bicycle tak
bicycle.
apa.
having supper right now at this Perodua area. It'll be our sahur as well, most likely. But everyone drove really fast today, surprisingly. I feel like everyone has improved also driving. It's well over 3 a.m. It's actually about 3:20 a.m. It's quite late, so we're gonna head down. My phone's battery is running low, so I'm not sure if I'm able to shoot any outro for this video. But I hope you guys enjoyed our mini adventure today. So we're just taking a couple of photos. Then we're gonna head down and just go our own ways.